What did a living room feel like before the invention of electricity, or in a future where walls are alive and your couch knows your mood? In this video, we're time travelling through the lens of interior design. Using nothing but text prompts and Sora AI, I asked ChatGPT, what would a realistic living room look like in every era? Here's what it gave me. Ancient Egypt, a luxurious ancient Egyptian noble's living room, realistic open-air architecture, alabaster furniture, papyrus scrolls, woven reed mats, desert light casting warm shadows, gold and turquoise detailing, historically accurate. Ancient Egypt, a time when the living room was more sacred than social. Minimal, sunlit, and touched by gold. Sora brought this to life with natural textures and temple-like calm. Medieval Europe, realistic medieval European living space, high stone walls, timber beams, roaring fireplace, heavy woolen tapestries, iron chandeliers, rustic wood furniture, candle lighting, warm but dim. The Middle Ages weren't exactly cosy, but this comes close. Sora gave me a moody, flickering warmth, a space built for storytelling by fire. Georgian-era living room, realistic, pastel walls with wainscoting, neoclassical furnishings, ornate drapery, brass candle holders, rococo paintings, historical style. Elegance meets enlightenment. Georgian homes were made to impress and to discuss philosophy over tea. I love how Sora captured the symmetry and softness of this age. 1950s, America, 1950s. American suburban living room, realistic mid-century modern design, pastel pink and avocado green colour scheme, wood panel TV set, atomic age decor, cosy and cheerful, daylight coming through curtains. Here's that post-war glow, pastel optimism, vinyl chairs, TV dinners waiting off screen. 1980s, Japan, realistic. 1980s. Tokyo apartment living room, realistic, compact and stylish. Wood panelling, floor cushions, CRT TV, stacks of VHS tapes, anime posters, houseplants, warm lighting. Soft tech, stacks of manga and a CRT hum in the background. This 80s Tokyo apartment is full of analog soul. I love how Sora picked up on the textures, plastic, wood and light. The future, 2040. 2040, futuristic living room, realistic, ambient AI integrated design, minimalist layout, soft organic furniture, glass walls showing cityscape or nature, biophilic decor, natural materials, soft glows, and then we leap forward. In 2040, the living room is responsive, calming, almost alive. This version feels like a breath of silence, modern but human. All of these were made using Sora and carefully written prompts. No CGI, no Photoshop, just creativity and curiosity. Which era was your favourite, and what time period should I try next? Let me know in the comments, and if you like this, hit subscribe for more AI design experiments. Thanks for travelling through time with me, one living room at a time.